Today, I'll show you the best way to make money online in 2020. In fact, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make money online. I use these methods myself to get results like this, as well as some more results over here. And once you've seen this video, you will be able to choose the best method that will work for you to start making money online in 2020. The first method, which I think is probably the best way to make money online in 2020, is YouTube. I'm here logged into my YouTube analytics account, and you can see that in the last 28 days, my channel has had 155,000 views and generated just over $6,000 US in ad revenue. Now guys, I have not made a video in almost 2 months. If we jump over here into my channel, you can see that the last video that I uploaded, well, it says 1 month ago, but really if we look at the date when it was created, it was 28th of August 2020, and today is the 23rd of October 2020. So almost 2 months I have not made a single video. And if we look at the stats here, I go custom, and then we go to the day after I made the last video. Okay, so let's just scroll over here to 29th, apologies. So 29/08/2020 until today. Okay, I just want to show you the passive nature of YouTube. My channel, without me making a single video for almost 2 months, has had 353,000 views. All by itself, it gained 8,700 subscribers, and it generated $14,000 US in ad revenue. Now this is passive. I also make money from my YouTube channel in a number of other ways. I sell my own courses, as well as I make affiliate income. So in total, I made well over $14,000. It is closer to the $35,000 mark that I made from a YouTube channel completely passively just in the last 2 months. So how does it work? How can it be so passive? Well, if we look at the reach analytics, YouTube will actually tell us where all these views have come from. So 27, almost 28% came from YouTube search. So if you create videos that are dedicated to a particular topic, if you put in a keyword that people are searching for on YouTube, then you will have high chances of coming up in YouTube search, and you will be able to get the views from people just looking for topics that your videos are about. They will be able to discover your videos on YouTube, they will watch them, and you will make the money. There is also something called browse features and suggested videos. So if your videos are good and high quality and people like them, then YouTube will show them in a variety of different ways. For example, in the related videos or on people's home pages. This is where suggested videos and browse features actually are coming from. A lot of you watching this video might be wondering, well, what happens if you don't speak English? Maybe you come from a country that does not speak English as the country language. There are lots of channels on YouTube that are run by people who are not from English-speaking backgrounds. For example, this channel here, Investor, is run by this person who does not actually come from an English-speaking country, and his channel is very successful, growing very quickly. He's got 273,000 subscribers. So if you come from a country where English is not the first language, if you have an accent, don't worry about that, because there are plenty of channels on YouTube which are run by people with those kind of backgrounds, and you know, people are non-judgmental. I watch videos by people who don't speak perfect English, so it's completely fine. Let's say you decided to start a channel where you post simple tutorials for how to use different things. You would need to then find a channel that posts similar style of content, and then you can get some ideas from their videos. So for example, if you start looking at natural Vita tutorials, you can take a look at what kind of videos they've made and how many views those videos have had. So you can see that this channel has published some tutorials about, for example, how to use Google Meet mobile app 2020, and that's had 69,000 views in 4 months. So over the course of the year, it'll probably get close to 200,000 views. It's a very simple tutorial to make, and then you can create a tutorial with a very similar title on a very similar topic and upload a video onto your YouTube channel. If you want to see a full step-by-step tutorial on how to start and grow your YouTube channel, you can check out my dedicated video on that, which is completely step-by-step. Just click the video in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to put a link there. Go ahead and watch that right now if you're interested. The thing that I really love the most about YouTube is that, yes, it pays you money for people who are just watching your videos, which is really awesome. But you can also, in the description, you can put in links to sell your own products or to promote products as an affiliate. So in every niche that you choose, there will be some products that you can promote, where if you insert your affiliate link and somebody buys via that link, then you can get paid a percentage commission. So for example, in a lot of my videos, I advertise SiteGround hosting, and I make a lot of affiliate sales that way as well. So you've got more than one way of making an income. So yes, in the last 2 months, I've made $14,000 US in just ad revenue, but I actually made a lot more than that in affiliate commissions and selling my own products, which are also happening as a result of my YouTube channel. The second best way to make money online in 2020 is to find a high-paying skill or learn that skill and start selling that skill online. As an example, you can use a site such as Upwork, and you can advertise your skill, and there are people who are already looking for a lot of these skills online, looking to hire people. So if you have a skill such as video editing, you can sell your services to companies as well as YouTubers. I actually would love to pay somebody to edit my videos because I'm kind of sick and tired of editing them myself. So if I could find a person who could do this well and could do it for a reasonably good price, say for example, $40 an hour or $50 an hour, I would be more than happy to actually outsource that. And there are lots of YouTubers out there who would love to do the same. There are companies that would be paying a lot of money for that. So you can check, if you type in video editing into Upwork, you will actually see that there are a lot of people who are making a lot of money. This first result here, their charge is $50 an hour. So it's a high paying skill, it's not even an entry level skill. And this person lives in Venezuela. So it's a country with lower cost of living, where $50 an hour would be a really good wage. And this person has made over $10,000 already. You can see there are people who make $50 an hour. This is a person in Brazil, again, lower cost of living than say the US or Australia, and they made over $100,000 online. So this is a skill that is in high demand. And if you want to discover what kind of skills are in high demand, you can go into freelancer search, and then here at the bottom where it says hourly rate, just go $60 and above, and that will show you all of the people and all of the skills that are able to charge over $60 US per hour of time. So you can see here 3D artist, okay, CFA modeling expert, Excel VBA wizard. So if you're good at Excel, good at Visual Basic, or you can learn it, this is a skill that you can learn and then you can sell it online. This is better than working a lot of entry-level jobs in a lot of countries. So there's engineering, poet, After Effects, animation. Okay, so there's heaps and heaps of options for pretty much every person to be able to maybe you already have one of those skills, or you might have developed in your daytime job, or if not, then you can learn it online yourself and then just start selling it on Upwork. I mean, look at this. This person charges $100 an hour and he has earned over $1 million on Upwork. I mean, how is this for a business? $100 an hour is not bad. That's $4,000 a week if you manage to keep yourself occupied with these contracts 40 hours per week. The third best way to make money online in 2020 is one of my favorite methods, and that is passive niche websites. You can see here I'm on the Travel Cork website. I own this website. I have several other niche websites, and I get tons of free page views. I get thousands and thousands of people visiting these blogs as well as other blogs every single day on complete autopilot. And all I had to do for this is to create some simple content, such as these posts: fall activities in Minnesota, discover Minnesota, best Texas state parks, 7 best places to visit in Australia. And people discover these posts through Google search. Here is a quick example. If you type in Bora Bora facts into Google right now, you will see that my Travel Croc website is probably number 1 or number 2 result. And lots of people are searching these kind of keywords, Bora Bora facts, all other keywords that I have posted articles on my website about. And they get onto my site, and once they're on my site, they will read my content and they will click these ads. So you will be able to see ads which are automatically inserted by Google. So for example, there is an ad here. There are more ads all the way down here, deodorant, etc., etc. These ads are tailored to the geography as well as the previous browsing history of the visitor. And Google tries to show the most relevant ads. I get a fairly high click-through rate, and I make several $1,000s from just these websites to which I get completely free traffic, 100% free traffic. I don't need to touch them. I can go away on holidays and these websites will continue working for me. If I decide to sell these websites, I can also make really good money just by developing these websites and actually selling them. But of course, I just like to keep them because that gives me passive income, which is awesome. I haven't worked for the last 7 weeks because I had some medical problems. I'm now sort of getting better. But in these last 7 weeks, I have not made videos. I have not made any blog posts. And all of these passive websites, as well as my YouTube channel, they've continued getting passive views and continued making passive money for me. So I'm really grateful for that, but I wanted to share that with you as well, just so that you know the actual power of these websites. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how to start a passive niche website like my Travel Croc website, then click the link in the top right of your screen or in the description below. I'm going to post a link to a full step-by-step video that will explain everything to you from start to finish, what you need to do to start and grow a profitable passive niche blog. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Just below this video, I've also put links to a couple of other videos that I think you will really like here at the very top. I recommend for you to watch them next. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you thought, and I'll see you on my channel in the next video.